guys, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 masks for your skin problems and a bonus hot oil mask as well. So let's get started. So here is the spot treatment, which I'm going to show you how to make. Into a bowl, add about a tablespoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of turmeric, you can add less or more depending, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And it's gonna bubble up like this, and you just want to mix it until everything is combined. The apple cider vinegar in this is really going to make sure that the pimple dries up. The turmeric in this is going to make sure there's no inflammation afterward, and the baking soda will make sure that there's no scarring after the pimple is dried up and is gone. So at the end of mixing, it should look something like this. And onto a clean cotton tube, you can apply this to your skin and make sure for every single pimple or spot problem, you use a different Q-tip. That's really important so the bacteria in the pimples doesn't spread and actually make your acne worse. I really do recommend having a different Q-tip for every one. So to the next mask, which is an eye mask for dark circles and can also be used for under eye wrinkles. So I just applied to the bowl 1 tablespoon of aloe vera and some coffee. I use instant coffee, but you can use normal coffee as well. And this is really good for your under eyes, and I just applied some vitamin E oil, which will help with any aging under the eyes. And you want to mix this together really nicely. And I recommend applying this about twice a week, no more than that, and you want to apply this until you have no dark circles under the eyes. Coffee is known for getting rid of any dark, unwanted areas on your skin, so this is perfect for this. So on to the next mask. I have a tablespoon of yogurt, some baking soda and rice flour, dried up orange peel and dried up rose petals, and some tomato juice, about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon. So I'm going to mix this up, and this is actually one of my go-to masks for clear, bright skin. If I see that my skin is really looking dull and ugly, I will just apply this mixture on, and I see that my skin is instantly a lot brighter, and it's a really gentle exfoliant because of the dried up orange peel and dried up rose petals, and because of the rice flour. This is really good. I recommend this to anyone who has any skin problems. So on to the bonus hot oil mask for your hair. To a bowl, I have half a cup of coconut oil, and I'm just going to add half a cup of olive oil to it, and I'm going to mix it up. This mask is really good for strengthening your hair, making your hair really making your hair have a lot of volume, and it makes your hair shiny. And if you have damaged hair, this is also really good for that. I recommend using this mask about twice a week, no more. It would actually make your hair really oily, excess oily. And yeah, you want to mix it until it looks like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!